day 1 because yesterday we got wrapped up. Yesterday was my birthday and we forgot to film, so we actually missed a day. So we're going to see them 2 days ahead. Week 4, day 1. See what they got. Oh yeah, we leave this door shut now. We let them outside, but they didn't go out yet.
Not yet. It's too windy today, I think. Let's see. I could open the door, I suppose. See what they do, but... Alright. Look how big they are in the world. Taller than the heat lamp.
I know. They're huge.
So, they need 3.5 pounds of food.
Okay. There's no food in this one either.
No, we're going to put 2 in cooler, and then we're going to fill that one up as well.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, they go crazy. Watch this.
We're watching. Holy!
Watch this. Again, now.
Maybe this is how you girls go going, right, Daddy? Oh, are you okay, girl? You don't get any of the food. I think there's something wrong with this girl. She's not crowding everyone.
She's just waiting. She's like, I know there's more food coming in a different dish, so I don't have to climb all over everybody.
Well, I guess there's week 4, day 1, right? Okay. So today is week 4, day 2. We're going to check on the little baby birds, and yesterday put a basketball in it. So yeah. Someone wants out, I see. Girls, do you want out? You want out? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hey, right. Let's keep going to see how the babies are doing. Those are the big ones, not the babies. So bright. And push her open. Oh, spiderweb. Hi, girls. What's she doing? Oh, girl, I'm not food. I'm not food, girl. What are you girls doing? You're crowding us. Girls! Young boys! Are you having a race or something? Well, that's how energetic a 4-week-old bird is. Well, I guess that's the end of week 4, day 2. Well, that's convenient. Okay, so today is week 4, day... what day is today? Week 4, day 3, I think? Yeah, I think it's week 4, day 3. And forgive me if I'm wrong, but I think it's week 4, day 3. Go to check on the babies. Oh yeah, some girls went out. We couldn't get to film it, but some girls went outside. So that's good. You want me to let them out?
You sure can, yeah.
I think today's week 4, day 3, right?
Today, week 4, day 3, yep.
Okay.
Do you want to open up the outside food?
Yeah, we'll
Want a
open
little
that.
food? Do you want a little food to scatter? Or
Yeah, we'll get some food to scatter around.
You don't need much, but just spatter that down the thing there. I'll check their food and water from inside.
Okay.
You want me to take the bowl back from you?
Yeah, you can take the bowl.
Good work.
Okay. And now we open this up. Then we grab this little latch. Oh, don't want to step in the food. Grab the latch. I might have to set you guys down for a minute, okay?
Want me to help you latch it?
Okay. No, I'm good. I was saying to them yesterday we got some to come out.
Oh yeah? I
Yeah.
wasn't here yesterday, so we'll see if they help.
Yeah. They're already adventuring.
Cold and windy today. They may not want to come out yet.
One wanted to, but it was too cold, I guess.
Yeah. I'm gonna close up this door.
Okay.
Coming out.
Yeah, we'll see what's inside. See how they're doing inside. Hey, girls.
There's a lot of them. They're getting low again, or they're good?
Food's empty.
Getting low again.
Real food's empty.
Yeah.
Both of them are
The
empty.
water jug's a little bit low.
Okay, so we actually forgot to film yesterday. So today is actually week 4, day 4, right? I think.
Week 3, day 4, or day 4? Week 4, day 4.
Week 4, day 4. Oh yeah, we can't go in anymore. We gave them the full pen. Hi. See if I can get a better angle. I don't think I can get a better angle.
They just open up the door. You can show them by just opening this door a little bit. We gotta go and feed them anyway.
Sure. We gave them this full pen.
Okay, big there.
They're like this. Look how big they are. Holy cow.
Now that they have more space, they seem to be grow a little quicker.
Yeah. I'd say, look how big you
Little
are.
monsters. You watch when I feed them.
Okay, we'll stay here. Look. One's escaping, just put food in.
Yeah. Watch this.
Girls, oh my, did you see her? Did you see her? Did you see that girl? You were holding it up and she jumped up trying to get it. Oh my. What are you doing, girls? You're gonna hurt yourselves. Well, there's the end of crazy week 4, day 4. Okay, so today is day. What day is today? Isn't it? Is it?
5 of week 4.
I think so. Week 4, day 5. I think. Yeah, I think Mama's right. It's week 4, day 5. I think. And it's warm out, even though it's supposed to rain, eh?
Yeah. Do you want me to wait?
You can do it. No, I'm fine.
I'll have to go in the coop. You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Do you need a hand latching it maybe?
I'm good.
Alright.
You can go in. It's fine. You can go in. Just a minute. We're gonna have to. Sorry guys, I had to set you guys down. Hi girls. One already came out.
Good.
Come back around. Ah. Shut, gate. It's way hard to shut.
All right, here's one.
That's hard to shut.
That's okay.
The girls are already adventuring out.
You want to put that in?
Yeah. There's really one adventurous one.
Okay, kind of hold it over by the door so they see that the feeder's there. And then move it back a little bit. Not too far, because this is the first time you'll ever go that far, so you might need to put it closer to like the tree.
Okay.
There you go, because they need to be able to see it.
Sure. Now we'll just stand back and watch them do their thing.
You just need a couple to see, go over to the feeder, and then more will come out.
One's coming.
Just stay here so they can feel comfortable coming out. I'll bring out the other feeder in a second.
Holy.
He's excited.
Yeah. Food. On their head, they still have their yellow feathers, eh?
Yeah. They're cute little baby down feathers, and they're all white everywhere else.
Mm-hmm. Hi. Just a minute.
I'm gonna go fill up the other feeder, okay, bud?
Okay. Holy moly, you've almost got that. You've got that halfway gone already, girls. Holy moly! No wonder we have to fill up your food twice a day. Oh. And then the girls in here, they're just like, "Hey, where'd all the food go?" It's all over here. I'll stay from a distance so they can. Oh my girl. Replay on that. Definitely. There was a girl, they just jumped on another girl.
Oh my. Come on over here, girls, and come eat.
More food over there. Hey, you can pet them.
Okay, yeah.
But, hey.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey,
It's breakfast time.
it's breakfast time for the chickies. Well, I guess there's sweet one. Go. See ya!
Oh, get back here. Right on your tail.
Woo! Made it. Okay, so today's week 4, day 6 or 7. I can't quite remember. Day 6 or 7. Week 4, day 6 or 7. So, going to check on the little babies. Go and see how they are. We gave them the full pen, so we can't go in. I'll get a good view for you. Oh. They're rampaging. We need to get their water out. Them going crazy and getting out.
They could go out, I think. Because it's not raining.
No, we let them like out the door, not just free roam.
I know.
We could let them go, yeah. Probably could. Holy.
Yeah, we need to give them water.
Eh,
You get them, huh?
I need someone to hold the GoPro. Eh. There we go. Oh, just poured it on myself. That's really good.
You want to
So?
let them out for a while already?
Yeah, I'll go with them while you fill the water up.
Okay.
You know where the stuff is, right?
No, but you can walk up behind it.
These things. No, I can't get this. Hi, girls. You can see them over there. Birds. Flying. Get it? Come in here. Oh, they're already coming out. It's not super duper dandy. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. I don't know. I'm on the wrong side. There we go. You got it.
Want the other one open?
Could let them. Oh yeah, we've never opened this other one ever, so it's our first time opening this one. Guess we could. Oh, this one's different. Yikes. This one's gonna be a little.
Oh, I guess they can't get out there anyway, can they? Or can they?
Yeah, they can.
Okay.
A little.
Can you reach or do you want Graham to help you? Oh, it's a spongy one.
Can't reach. I'll take the GoPro while you get it. Oh, there's already a girl out. Hey, girl. Where are you going? Back around here? What's back around here that you like? Just a minute. Oh my! That's great.
It's okay, Daddy. You'll fix it when it comes.
Okay. We can do that, yeah.
Yep. We'll just leave it off. It's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
It just rotted, that's all.
Yeah, I just rotted. We've had that for a while. Look at her. She's so cute. So, we'll go back and there's week 4, day 6 or 7 done.